Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, on top of my time as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. So I look at equipment based on how it's built and how it actually performs in the yard. Today we are taking a plain-spoken look at two budget-friendly split-system heat pumps to help you figure out which one belongs outside your house. The Ameristar A5HP5 and the Fraser-Johnston, the two. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, both of these entry-level units bring solid protective design to your yard. Both the Ameristar A5HP5 and the Fraser-Johnston. The two feature slotted, louvered panel construction. This provides far better protection for the coil fins against hail, yard debris, and stray lawnmower rocks than basic wire grills. When it comes to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Ameristar A5HP5 comes in with an HSPF rating of 8.5, while the Fraser-Johnston. The two sits at 7.5. That difference matters when winter hits. A higher HSPF means the Ameristar generates more heat output per watt of electricity consumed, making it more efficient to run during moderate to cold winter weather. While neither of these entry-level units is a specialized, low ambient, cold climate heat pump, the Ameristar will keep your electric bill lower during the heating season and hold capacity slightly better as temperatures drop. On the cooling side, both units will provide standard summer air conditioning, but the Ameristar's higher overall design efficiency carries through year-round. Looking at compressor and fan technology, both units use single-stage scroll compressors paired with single-speed outdoor condenser fan motors. That means they run strictly on an on-off basis, 100% capacity or zero. Because they use single-stage equipment, expect standard cycles where the system turns on at full blast to meet the thermostat set point and turns off when satisfied, rather than maintaining continuous low-stage airflow. Noise levels are an important consideration for outdoor placement. The Ameristar A5HP5 produces sound levels around 70 to 75 decibels, while the Fraser-Johnston, the two sound levels are as low as 72 decibels. A sound level of 72 to 75 decibels is roughly equivalent to a modern dishwasher running in the kitchen or normal vacuum cleaner operation. You will hear both of these systems kick on when you are sitting on the patio, but neither is unusually loud for a traditional single-stage unit. Understanding who manufactures your equipment helps gauge long-term support. The Ameristar A5HP5 is manufactured by Trane Technologies. The Fraser-Johnston. The two is manufactured under the residential HVAC division formerly owned by Johnson Controls, which was acquired by Bosch Home Comfort. Both parent brands have extensive distribution networks and established domestic manufacturing histories. When it comes to equipment costs for just the outdoor unit, distributor pricing for the Ameristar A5HP5 ranges from around $1,607 for smaller 1.5-ton units, up to $2,833 for 5-ton models. Uninstalled equipment pricing for the Fraser-Johnston. The two runs in a comparable bracket of roughly $1,500 to $2,700 depending on tonnage. For a full turnkey professional replacement including equipment, local labor, duct adjustments, and permitting, expect total job costs to land between $7,400 and $8,900. Comparing warranties, both brands offer identical standard coverage out of the box. You get a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty on both the Ameristar A5HP5 and the Fraser-Johnston, the two. Neither model includes a unit replacement warranty allowance in the event of a major compressor failure. If I am standing in your yard making the call, the honest recommendation goes to the Ameristar A5HP5. While both systems feature protected louvered panel cabinets, basic single-stage components, and identical 10-year warranties, the Ameristar gives you an 8.5 HSPF heating rating compared to the Fraser-Johnston 7.5 HSPF.